Hi, I'm Gayatri Mathkar, co-founder and CEO at DOSHAHEEN Solutions Private Limited. About Sampada's workshop on emotional intelligence, I would say that this is one of the best workshops I have recently attended. Sampada is very thorough in this subject and she sticks to her points and she deep dives and she tries to get to the bottom of the topic that she wants to convey across. I mean, there are certain things that you take for granted and never pay attention to. This is like an eye opener. I would recommend that each one of us should not only do it once but periodically. I would recommend it to everybody, all my employees as well, and everybody. Way to go, Sampada. Thank you so much.